Ah, that's what it is. So let's have a look, see what we get in the box. Well, we'll start off with the box. So as you can see, it's a Babyliss for Men Smooth Glide Shaver. It is cordless, ergonomic, precision engineered blades, cut with confidence, lithium power, dual blade, and you get accessories as well. So we get a bit of information about it, important information about the shaver, the features. So like I've just said, you get dual blade cutting system for multi-directional self hair cutting. It's lithium ion technology, so it doesn't need to be connected up for you to use it. You get 4 cutting comb attachments, 1 ear taper guide, a pouch, oil, cleaning brush, and you get 3-year guarantee as well. Let's get to the good stuff. Here's the shaver. So if I pull that out of the bag, I've actually just ripped the bag as well. Right, so that is the shaver. So as you can see, it's dual blade, so you can go either way when you're shaving. It feels bigger than what I expected. I expected it to be quite small, so you need a decent grip on there, to be honest. But when we turn it on, you get a little green light saying it's powering, but to be fair, you know it's powered anyway, you can hear it going. Little bit of information there about charging the device, and that's where you plug your charger in the back. So let's see what else we've got. So we've got some oil and a little brush as well. We've also got, let's pull this out. So we've got a little pouch that I believe we can put everything into this pouch, so you can take it about with you. So there's 5 blades in total, there's 3 in this one, 2 in this one. You'll charge a plug as well. So are these actually any good? Let's cut some hair and find out. Let me know if it pulls at all as well. Oh, short and sweet this is one.
No, at the top.
No, at the top. My ear's gone so beautiful, beautiful running out.
Them blades are getting warm now.
Warm?
Yeah.
Am I? I'll do it, can't put them on. It's just his back bit you want doing. How's a stepping that?
So you're going to have to go.
What are you doing?
I'm shaving all his hair off.
That looks really bad.
It's great.
It's just important and you have a tiny bits of hair there.
I want to be an hairdresser. So you can't feel the heat on the blade now then? With this one?
I can feel some warmth, but
not as bad as...
Not to say it's unbearable now.
Wait, Andy!
I'm gonna practice, you know. Practice makes perfect.
Look! It's like a board and then...
So what have we learned so far from this review? We've learned I'm not a very good hairdresser, to be honest. Back to this little bad boy. On one hand, it's good. It does do the job. It does cut like it's supposed to. On the other hand, I think this is just way too big to get a decent grip on it. It feels as though I haven't quite got control if I'm doing my own hair. The general size and shape, I would like something a little smaller that's easier to grab onto. Like I say, it does cut, that's what you want from hair cutters, but it's just, there's just something in the design that I just don't like. So I'm thinking if I don't like it, there's probably going to be other people that don't like it as well. Another thing that was mentioned as well is that if you cut using the bare blade, after a few minutes, these blades get extremely warm as well, so please be aware of that. So my star rating for the Babyliss for Men Smooth Glide Hair Cutter will be 6 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.